In this video, we are going to see how your Excel will speak with you. Okay, so let's see. It is a very short code, and whenever it's sometimes is visible when you have uh, want to don't want to read your data, you just want to listen your data. So let's see. For a visual, go to your developer tab and go to your visual basics. Okay, or you can use as a shortcut alt 11 and then go to visual basics, and then your tab will be open. Check your where is your sheet from this project view. Okay, and right click on that which sheet you are working. My sheet is a speak, so there is a speak. Go to insert module. Okay, so after that insert a module, only code is like start with the sub speak. Okay, and this is the name of your code. Okay, and then selection dot means whatever you selected that will speak it out. That's why selection dot speak, and close with the end this sub. After then you can save this code and run this one. So whenever you run this, that all data will be speaking with you like that will read like a name, age, gender, John 30 male, M, Emily 25 female, Sarah 35 female, David 28 male. Okay, you can try it out with your own data. You just select your data and dot speak. Okay, so that will speak. This is a nice code. You can try it out like how your Excel will speak with you. Okay, so name dot age, gender, John. Okay, so that will speak with okay, and then you can save and just choose the from the macros, or you can just create a button here. Okay, and assign your macros here. Okay, so click on button and just click on there. And what is the name of my speak? Let me, what was the name of my code? Speak. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this one. Okay, click on this and click on OK. So you are assigning that code here. Okay, and just click on this, and that all will be speak like name, gender, that read for you. Okay, so the data will read for you. Okay, so this is about how your data will speak with you, how your data read for you. Okay, using a macros code. I hope you understand this. Okay.